MHC Kenworth, Denver, Colorado. The world's best in new and used trucks. A gorgeous red 2019 Kenworth T880 is for sale at MHC Denver, a 510 horsepower non-sleeper. This truck is super clean and ready for a new owner. You've got 12K fronts, 40K rears, a 220-inch wheelbase, and a 3.42 rear ratio. Your tires, 22.5s. Standards all around with polished aluminum wheels. Looks really nice for you. Under the hood, a PACCAR MX-13. Your interior, it looks fantastic after our detail job. If you want this truck, a 2019 Kenworth T880, call MHC Denver at 888-592-4070.